Here at the museum, we have three major themes. So we talk about the history of the steamships, wooden boat building, and resort hotels in Gravenhurst and more generally in Muskoka. We focus on going back to the late 1800s and early 1900s. So starting pretty much with like the first settlement here and kind of tourists first starting to realize the wilderness potential of the area. And one of the biggest influences in that respect is A.P. Coburn, who kind of started the steamships and really is kind of the father of tourism here. We feature antique wooden boats built by local Muskoka boat builders who were in the area, specifically down here at the Gravenhurst Wharf and in Bracebridge and Port Carling as well. Our feature exhibit for this summer is called Musical Memories of Muskoka, and it's going to feature the big bands who came and played here at the resorts in Muskoka and at Dunn's Pavilion, which is now the Key to Bala. We're run by the Muskoka Steamship and Historical Society, which also operates the RMS Seguin, which is the oldest operating steam-powered ship in North America. And it operates cruises throughout the summer every day.